Alright, so sama ko muna kayo sa gig natin for October 4. Dito sa Okada tayo pupunta. So kape muna, habang mainit ang panahon. Iced Americano with white chocolate, only at Daddy G Cafe. So ito, driving, and then pagdating ko, medyo malayo yung lakarin at malawak talaga tong Okada. And we're going to the Golden Ballroom for Okada Manila's golf event. Ayan, so ito yung setup ko. You know the drill. iPad, AirTurn, and earplugs. Yan, so link ko sa Yellow Basket. Now we did the sound check, and ito is a snippet of a few of the songs that we played. We played for the entrance of guests, and also a part of the dinner set. Ayan. So with prestigious drinks to, kasama natin si Sir Christian and the gang, and a few drinks muna bago umuwi. Buti na lang maaga lang natapos yung event. We were able to finish at around 8 p.m. which is pretty early for these types of events. Ayan. So sama ko ulit kayo sa mga susunod pa nating gigs and mini vlogs.